Hello everyone, today we are going to explain about JavaScript date method. We have already done everything. We have already explained everything, all the method topics. Just we are going to again explain in these topics JavaScript date method. What are JavaScript date method? JavaScript date object is a built-in object used to create, store, retrieve, modify, and format date and time values inside your applications. So let me first creating date objects here. New date. Here new date, create a new date object representing the current moment in time based on the user systems clocks. Here it include years, month, day, hours, minute, second, milliseconds. So we have an example kind of here food delivery app. This is here const order placed time, order placed time is equal to new date, and we will write here console.log order placed time. Here imagine, this is the example. Here imagine a user placed an order at 7:45 p.m. okay, and then this system record this exact date and time when the order happened. We will save that date time in the DB. When this line runs here, const order place time, new dates, this one, JavaScript immediately capture the current system date and times. And example, here you got it your output. Let me sales, then it is file number 24, so that's why. And you said okay, I think we need to use toString method. toStrings method. Now you say your date in the readable format, and this one, meaning of this one here, it is the you see here what this is a day, then this is a month, and this is your date, this is a year, here this is your times, got it? And this timestamp self in the system track the order life cycle in this one. I hope you got this. Then here we have to how extracting the information from a date. Now imagine your system needs specific information from the dates. For example, what day is today, what month is it, what hour was the order placed. This is where get method are used. So this one we have, this is a get method. Inside it here, get method return the day of the month. This is here we have the example for it. Here we write in the const order date is equal to new date, and then const day of month is equal to order date dot get date. Here we write console dot log day of month. Here if today is March 16, the output will be 16. In a delivery, if this might be used to show order placed on 16 March, already that here dot to strings. Good. So let me try to execute again that files. 16. What is 16, guys? We have checked it. This is okay. This is a get date. So now here I am just here right order placed on 16 March. This one now you will see order placed on 16 March. You can add here March. It is very simple. You have to use your backtick so that you can do that things. Here we have to get day, return the day of the week as a number 0 to 6. For the Sunday it is 0, for Monday 1, for Saturday it is 6. So we have the example weekend here. So we have the example weekend discount logics. It is very simple. Let me const today, it is equal to new date, then const right here day number is equal to today dot get day, and then console.log day number. Here, if today is Saturday, output will be 6. So just we have to check it here. What your output here? C is not defined. Where that C variable? Where? Okay, this one. C is not defined. You have to comment in that things. You see here, it is 1. 1 means what? Today it is today is Monday. This is here, and you have to also check in the system. This is today it is Monday, right? So here now your application could run the logics. Weekend discount logic, like weekend is special 20% discount. You have to print in the console if you want. Okay, let me do that here. Just a simple thing I want to show here. Let me cut this line of code here inside backtick. Already about these things. Weekend is special. This is 20%, and this count. Got it? Weekend is special, and you can print that things. Then here we have the getFullYear. getFullYear return the complete 4-digit numbers you can use for the invoice printing. Here, this is used for the invoice text systems, report, order history. So const here invoice, it is equal to new date. We will write the const current here, it is equal to invoice date dot get full year. Can you write here console.log current year, right? Then check it here, you have that years. You see 2026. Okay, you can use inside invoice text systems in this fully get hours here, night delivery logics. Get hour return the hour of the day from 0 to 23. Const current right here, current time is equal to new date. Const current, this is not a right hour, it is equal to this is here current time dot get hours. You have to execute and check it here. The const is console. This is the functions. This is console.log, and what we have hours. So let me type execute, and then you see here 23 hours as well as you see here. Okay, here in the date times. So it is 20. If the user orders at 9 p.m., the output will be 21. Got it? So you can implement this logic inside. It is a very simple. Then about your get minute here, get minute return the minute. So let's get that here. Const, it is a delivery timer, it is equal to new date. Okay, then const minute, it is equal to delivery timer dot get. Okay, this is minute, not millisecond. Get minutes. Can you write here console.log? This is a minute here. You see here if the time is like this one, here you have to check it here. This is time. Okay, get minute. You see here 40 minutes. You see here also here. Okay. So here the output will be 40, and you see here in this my local times. Okay, local machine. Get second. It is live tracking orders. Return the second values. here const live clock. This is here clock is equal to new date, and then you write what console.log live clock dot get second functions. Okay, it is used for the real-time clock, countdown timers, live dashboard. You can use in these features in your projects. Then getting the month here, getMonth return the month number from 0 to 11. JavaScript start counting month from 0. You see here 0 January, 1 February, March to December. It is 11. So now we have the example for it. Here suppose get order date const orders date is equal to new. Here you create your date object, simple. Alright, in the const month number is equal to order date dot get month function. You to execute and then console.log what this is a month number. Okay. So here if the month is March, the output will be 2. Let me check here, and if it is 2, it means it is March. And also you have to verify in my system. You see that is fine. So developer often fix this by adding plus one number. Here you have to just 8 plus, so you would it 3. Then we have the get time. Here most important, get time returns the number of milliseconds since January 197, that is epoch times. This is called the time systems. Computer use time system because they allow precise time calculations. So here is the example for it. It is very simple. You know already about this time systems. Const now it is equal to new date, and then const this is here const times temp is equal to now dot get time console.log. This is time system, and you got it your time systems. You say this is your time systems. You say return the number of milliseconds since January 197. This is your this is here your time systems. Got it? So we have to how to changing a dates here. Sometimes here your system need to modify a date. Like we have the example for it. Example like delivery was delayed. The system must reschedule the delivery dates. So here we need what set date methods. Here set date methods. Here suppose here you can update your dates const delivery date. This is here delivery date, it is equal to new date, and then here write delivery date dot set date it is 20. Then we will write here console.log it is the delivery date. Okay, let me print it, and then you see the system change the delivery date to 20th of the month. Here you have to check your current date, and then it will be change your dates. You have to check in the console. Then here we have to formatting your dates here. Then we have to formatting your dates. Here raw date output is often ugly and difficult to read, so JavaScript provides method to format date nicely. You know about toDate string method already in my previous lectures. Here it converts the date into the simple readable strings. Suppose here you create a variable const toDate is equal to new date, and then console.log toDate strings method. Why we got okay? Here we have that variable comment net. Go to the bottom here, and you see how it's look without your functions. Suppose here right today it is today. Okay, you see here without this method your to-date how it look, and with this method. So just we have to check it here, and you see, okay, it is not easy to read, but it is very simple to read. Got it? So that's why here we have in JS formatting your dates. Here convert date into a simple readable strings. We need to cut from here, put simply here, then two local date strings. Here formatting the date according to the user region or country formats. Here you can do this here using two local date string methods. Const to date is equal to new date, and then console.log today dot to local data strings here, and check it what you got it your output. You see your today current date, okay, in the local format 16/3/2026. okay. Here format in the date according to the user region or country format, so you have to use these two local data string methods. Then static date method, what we have here. Here some methods belong to the date class itself, not an instance like date not now. So here it returns the current time system in the milliseconds. And this is here const here, right, current times temp is equal to date dot now console.log, and then current time systems. This is here, okay. Okay, this is your current time systems. Got it? It is used for performance measurement, analytics, caching systems. Then we have next, it is about date parse, convert the date string into millisecond time systems. It is way too simple to convert that things. Const parsed date is equal to date dot parse inside it, here inside a string 2026, then 03 is in 16, and we have to console.log what your parse date. Let me check it here. You see your date converted into the millisecond time systems. And also we have your duplicated method, some old methods not based here, wrong and right. I think we have already explained about that thing, but again we are going to explain that. This is here is equal to new date, then dot get here method. It is not a full, so it is this one, okay. Here this is wrong and this is right here. getFullYear. Duplicated methods remain only for the backward compatibility. Now we have some key concept to remember. Always follow this order when working with date. We have to create and get modify format. Create date, extract information, modify if needed, format for the display. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.